Hi, welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. My name is Matt, and I am the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So what we do is whenever we get new samples, I like to open them up on the spot and talk about them. So I have the pressure of not only not cutting myself, but you get to hear what I think on the spot. We also find it's kind of good so you can see what's coming out and yeah, you know what's going on in the flooring world. So when you're ready to get new carpet or different things, you will know what to look for. So anyway, this one looks like it's from Engineered Floors, which is also Dreamweaver Carpets. It is the same mill. It is owned by Bob Shaw. That's a story for another day, but it's the same person that started Shaw Industries. So what we have here, so we have, again, it's the mill's Dreamweaver by Engineered Floors. This is Serene 3, 2, and 1. So I think we've explained on other videos, but it's a good, better, best. So in the carpeting world, when they do a good, better, best, the good is actually good. I know in some industries, good is code for garbage, but they only do this with actually good carpet. So what happens is it gets thicker as you go. So back here, looks like we have 15 colors to choose from. So you can get any of these 15 colors. These are nice. I mean, they're very neutral, but it looks like some of these flecks have like yellows and a little bit more orange, so a little bit more color variation. That's good for hiding different things. You have kids and pets and things until you're ready to clean your carpet. But this feels soft. We still haven't developed the technology yet to transfer feel from a video, but if we ever figure that out, we will pass that along to you. But anyway, yeah, this is a nice style. Has some lighter ones, some darker ones. The other day, somebody kind of asked us, they were surprised when they had kind of a solid white color carpet. They were surprised it's a little bit harder to keep clean. But if your carpet's super dark, none of these are super dark. You'll see a lot of white lint and fuzzies on it too. But yeah, this looks nice. A lot of times people too, like if they have a basement and they need to save some money, they might put the best one in their areas where they want the nicest carpet, but then they can put the exact same color in another area. And so it looks the same. It's just, you can save some money that way. So yeah, so this one's Serene 1, 2, and 3. Nice look. You know, it's soft. It's kind of sheared. We get a lot of carpets nowadays. They're kind of all the same level. But yeah, this one looks nice. So yeah, I'm trying to think of something else we could maybe share with you. But Dreamweaver's nice. They're pure color. It's solution dyed, so that means the color goes all the way through. So it makes it very easy to clean. See if there's anything else that we might be able to tell you. Yeah, I think that's probably it. I mean, this points out the fact here that bleach with this type of carpet doesn't do anything to it, which is pretty cool. So anyway, I appreciate you taking time to watch this episode. And if you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks a lot.